a runaway. They call that.
The cable?
No. You gotta cover. Diesel is it runs away on its own oil. You have to cover the intake. That's why I was trying to get that off. Put something to cover the intake. That's shut it off. Taking electricity away, don't shut it off. You gotta take the air out. It's gonna blow. It already did. It's using all the oil in the engine. It's running on that, not gas. It already blew.
Using a seatbelt as the rope. Cut the seatbelt right in the seat.